You ever notice how people treat you exactly how you allow them to? They will undervalue you, use you like a convenience store, and walk away without even saying thank you, unless you do this one thing. Today I will tell you why people devalue you, and how to flip the game in your favor. Because let me tell you, respect is not demanded, it is commanded. And if you don't understand this, you will spend your whole life begging for what should be naturally yours. Let's get into it. First, understand this. The world does not give you what you deserve. It gives you what you demand. People will take advantage of you, disrespect you, and ignore your worth because you tolerate it. It is not because they are bad people. It is because you haven't drawn the line. Let me give you a harsh truth. People respect boundaries, not begging. They don't respect someone who pleads for value. They respect someone who carries value effortlessly.